Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Doipan Roy Chudhary, and in today's live session, we're going to solve an IBPS Clerk Prelims level mock test. So it is currently live on Practice Mock platform. So let's get started. The link is also in the description box. You can check that out. So first one is numerical ability. Okay. Write up to 2 decimal letter. Upstream. What's going on? Oh shit. Pause it. Check it. Okay. Upstream is 12, downstream is 11. Upstream, downstream 12, and downstream in 11 minutes. Okay, these are the ratio of time. In upstream it takes that much, downstream it takes, my goodness. So 11 minutes means 66, so 675, and in downstream it takes 73450. Yes, 45. So 45 10 45 15, I guess. So it's 225, so 2 3. Now upstream is, so speed upstream 2 3, so 2.5. So only one option, 2.5. This one. Is hope this is the answer. I don't have time to check all those things. So, but it's in fraction, right? I'm saying that upstream speed is 60 then, or what? Nah, bro, I'm just going to skip it. A train traveling at 108 crosses a pole 12 seconds. Why are so many fractions? Okay, two charts. So number of total employees and this 4,000 total employees. This is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, total employees I will calculate 600, 12%, 480, then 18%, 36, 720, 25,000, 30, 1200. If total number of male employees 5 company represent in the pie chart, then the number of male employees in C will be C 320 will be how much? So total male is going to be 500, 500 and 740, 740 and 860. It's 0 0 16. So 1/5 means 72 degree. The number of female employees in company E is 420 here. So it's 80. The ratio of number of female employees in B and C respectively. Female in B and C. Female is B 300, and in C is going to be 400. So 3:4. Give the difference between the percentage number of males and female employees in A. In A, it's going to be 240 and 360. So 120 upon 600, it's going to be 5 to 20%. Difference between the male and female employees in D. So in D, it's 720 and 440. So the difference is 082. Here the difference second time 061. So 160. A is 60 times more efficient than B. The efficiency is 360 times more. So 5, 8. If they completed work together and earned a total wage of this, share of A, multiple of 8. Okay, 8 by 13 into 1183. So 9 times 1171391 into 8. So 7 to 8. 7 to 8. 3 men take 30 days to finish. 3 men take 30 days to finish a job. Excellent. Finish some work. If each woman 50% less efficient than a man, fine taken by 10 women. This is 1. This is half into 10 women complete. So 5 men to complete. So it will definitely in fraction. So it's 108 into 2. So it's 216. The sum of the perimeter area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square. So 1000 a is 10. Here the sum of the perimeter of equilateral triangle and square. So 30, 140. The heck, sum of the perimeter. Equilateral triangle and a square. Okay, so 4a is 140, a is 35. Then the difference between the perimeter of the square and the equal. Oh, so 140 and 30. What difference between the perimeter of the square and the equilateral triangle? Sum is this, or is the difference? It's not 10, right? Why did I even write 10? So this was 15 into 2. A square was 30. So 90. If I subtract 90, it would give me 80. So 20. So 80 and 90. So 10 difference. A shopkeeper sold an article allowing 2 discounts if the mark price was 480. So 480, 20%, 96 gone. So 80 and 16 gone. So 384. And then the price was 619. So 96 reduced. So 4 times. So 96 is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4th reduction means 25% discount. Varun Nidhi 15, 21 invested for 3, 2. This is 5, 3, 7. Find the total profit together if Varun earned this. Okay, so 15. So 30 times. This is also 21. So total is 36 into 2. So 7 to something. No. When the total profit if Varun earned this, so 20, right? This is 36 pure. Okay, this is 14. So total 29 into 2, 58. Okay. So 14, 12 makes sense. This is 14, 14. So x is less than equal to. Okay. Now minus minus. Let's keep it 15, 19. Okay, nice. Now this one will take some toll. Okay. 17, 17. No. 273. So 3, 273. So 9, 1, 3. Not 3, but 7. I think this is 1, 3. So 21 and 13. So minus 13, minus 21, and minus 15, minus 19. So no relation can be established. This is plus plus minus plus 9, 7, 7, 5. So 5 is there, right? So again, no relation. Okay, should I do it? Number of pencils sold by A, pen, number of pen B. So A, B, C, pen and pencil. A, B, C. Pen, pencil, number of pencils sold by A is number of pens. If pen is 8, this is 5. Number of pens sold by B is 200 less than that of A. Than that of A. The number of pencils sold by B. Pencil sold by B is 4 times the pens sold by him. Number of pencil is 4 times number of pens. So if this is 1, this is going to be 4. The ratio between the number of pencils sold by B and C. Pencils sold by B and C is 3 to 1. If this is 3, this is 1. Number of pens sold by C is 240, which is 40 more. I think I should have started with this. Pens sold by C is 240, which is 40 more than the number of pencils. So 200, 8 times 25, 125 minus 200. Okay, I think it's not. Okay. Number of pens sold by C is 240, which is 40 more than the number of pencils. And number of pencils sold by A is, okay, pencils is 5. So 40 times, if this is 5 4 times, 8 4 3 2 0, and 200 less is going to be 120. But 4 times this is 480. If this is 3, this is 1. So 160. Total number of pen and pencil by A is 520. Ratio between the pens and pencils sold by C, 3 to pen and pencil 3 to 2. Pen sold by B is how much percent more or less than the number of pens sold by A? So 200 by 320. So if 0 0 4 5 4 8, so 62.5. If we sold two type of pencil P and Q, and the ratio of type P to Q is 1 to 3 P, so P total pencil by B 480 120. Difference between the number of pens sold by B and pens sold by B and C 120. Okay, minus 9 minus 6, this is minus 7 minus 6, so minus 9 minus 6 minus 6 minus 7. Again, no relation. This is plus 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 minus. I just check the plus ones. This is 13 11, right? And this one 13 15. So y greater than equal to, then 20% of 300 060 plus 20 2.1. হ্যাঁ ভাই হচ্ছে, থ্যাংক ইউ। হ্যাঁ কমিটেড কিসে? ও ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ। হ্যাঁ না, এই আসলি নাকি? ও 8.84, so 8.4, 0.6, so 9. Okay, 0.00. So 20% of 6 is 0.6, and 0.021% of 40. Yes. So then this is 8 plus 12, 25. The next one is into 9. Okay. 1836 by 9x is 17. In 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 6, 8, so 12. Then the next one is 40, 80 plus 32, 112. The next one is 18, so it's 15 plus, so 640. Next one is can be done by unit digit, so 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 5, right, 15, so 9, this one. Next 6x equals 32, so 15 to 30, 750 plus, so 800 minus 140, 660, so 110. Then 5 into under root, this is 9 cube, 3 to the power 6, 3 to the power 3, 27 square plus 144, so 120, 135, 144, so 79. So x square equals this minus this is going to be 80, 1080 plus 16 to this is 900, 945, so 1 or rather 20, so 20 means 45 square. Okay, skip letter. 81350 minus 720 upon 30, 000. This is 24, this is 45, so 21, so 42%, or rather 00 into 4 by 4, so 1050 minus 130 is equal to 180 plus x. So adding these two, 310, so 40, 740. Okay, so 19, 57, 57, 65 by 19 into 26 and 12, 38 by 13 is 5, this is 2, so 10 plus this is 51, 64 upon 17 into 48, 51 upon 8, so 8, 324, so 34. All 15 12 seconds, so 108 into 5 by 18, so this is 6, so 30, so length is 360 meter. Now in 16 seconds it can go 3480, which is 1/8, so it's now 560 plus 360, total has to be covered in, okay, so time taken will be 1/8 more, so 2 seconds more, 2 seconds more means 18 seconds, and 12 seconds, so total 30 seconds, not an option. Okay, excellent. Tunnel which is 12, okay, so to cross the train itself 12 seconds. Okay, pole in 28 seconds, right? Okay, the total is going to be 820 upon 30, no, 920, then also no. Train is this 1/8 longer. So this is 8, 6 times. So 540. So 900 is none of this for sure. So the first one. Yes, next section will not work from here. We'll come back here. English. Then add it here. A mechanical keyboard makes a very louder clicking sound whenever you type loud sound. Please inform the staff if you have an allergy to any items of nut or food kind or any kind of nuts or food items. So D and C, D, C and D. She baked a healthier version of the chocolate cake using ripe bananas. He remained everything. He lost everything in the flood. So BA, but remained hopeful about the future. The chimneys continuously released columns of poisonous white vapor. Continuously release the chimney. White vapor seems to be all right. The chimneys continuously release columns of. I think everything is correct. Okay, inappropriate word. Continuously release. Poisonous. Okay, so poisonous is incorrect for sure. Continuous. Continuously. New. Usly. New. So either A and C or only C. I'll have to check it back later. The fact. Okay. 6 to 10. Skip. Shops across the city are offering huge discounts. There is an error. Okay. Find out if there is an error. 1%. It's okay. The beautiful of the spot. The beauty of the spot was beyond anything I had ever imagined. So A and C incorrect. You must keep a lily plant away from house cats because its leaves are highly toxic to it. Seven set of questions. Yesterday we dashed an antique brass lamp for the corner of our living room. Yesterday we bought. The children love to dash the duck at nearby park. Feed. I am terrible. I am a terrible cook, but my older brother is even worse, is even bad, even worse than I am. Children love wearing colorful socks with funny animal patterns printed on them. I mean, for things you are not preferably using them. So colorful socks with funny animal patterns printed on those. So I'll just go with this correction. But children love wearing colorful socks with funny animal patterns printed on. Yeah. I need to buy a dash waterproof suitcase for my long holiday abroad. I want to buy a sturdy. Do not forget to pull the the final dash of the movie, the final scene, the timely arrival of the fire brigade. So C to start with, prevented the fire from spreading further. Our family hosts a dinner on the eve of New Year each year. Hosts. A is incorrect for me. Dinner is all right. In the eve, in each year, in the New Year, every year. Our family hosts a dinner on the eve of the New Year each, every. I think A and D are not anywhere. The eve of New Year. Eve of New Year is perfect. So I think only A then. Many schools, hospitals, and welfare program. I think this program spelling is incorrect, but let's see. Program across India are named in honor of Kasturba Gandhi. Many schools, hospitals, and welfare programs. Anyways, it should have been plural from so. Either way, the incorrect part was that. So, in fact, it is what research has shown. Maybe so far, I don't know, but I don't know, and I don't know. So, starting with R is absolutely clear. So, research has shown that being able to spot faces is crucial for our survival and our social life. In fact, it is actually a completely normal phenomena called no. When people see faces in no, not this. And while this might sound a little like I need some information intuition, it is not the case here. No. So far this morning I have spotted faces in a trumpet, okay, but why does it occur and what is its significance? But why does this thing occur and what is its significance? That being able to spot faces so far in this morning, for Q to start with, research has shown this. So far this morning I have spotted faces and this. But in fact, it is completely normal phenomena called this, where people see faces in inanimate object. And while this might sound a little like I need some information of intervention, this is not the case here. Okay, so R T T. This is a. But why does it occur? And what is the and what is its significance? But why does it occur? What is its significance at the very last? Q to start with, then R T T S. For me, that's fine because research has shown that being able to spot faces is critical for our survival and our social life. So far this morning, I have spotted faces in cramped piece of clothing and my neighbor's front door. And while this might sound a little like I need some kind of intervention, this is not the case. In fact, it is actually a complete normal phenomena called this, where people see faces. But why does it occur and what is its significance? seems to be perfectly fine. Second R, third T, fourth P, fifth S. You must keep a lily plant away from house cats. Okay, house cats is written here. Toxic to them. So in part D, there are a few different definitions of constellation, but many people think of constellation as a group of stars. Often it is a group of stars that looks like a particular shape in the sky and has been given a name. These stars are far away from Earth. They are not connected to each other at all. Some stars in the constellation might be close, while others are very far away. But if you were to draw lines in the sky between the stars like a dot to dot puzzle and use lots of imagination, the picture would look like an object, animal, or person. Over time, cultures around the world have had different names and numbers in constellations depending on what people thought they saw. Today, there are 88 officially recognized constellations. The constellation you can see at night depend on the time of the year. Earth orbits around Sun once each year. Our view into space through the night sky changes as we orbit. So the night sky looks slightly different each night because Earth is in a different spot in its orbit. The stars appear each night to move slightly west of where they were seen the night before. They were in the night before. Your location on Earth also determines what stars or constellation you see and how highly they appear. So CBA, to rise in the sky. The northern hemisphere is always pointing in a different direction than the southern hemisphere. This means that stargazers in Australia, for example, get a slightly different view of the sky and can see a few different constellations than those in United States. It can be a little confusing to picture how night sky changes as we orbit the sun. For example, say you are in the northern hemisphere looking into the sky on September 21st, you will probably be able to see the constellation Pisces, but you would not see Virgo because that constellation is on the other side of the sun. During that time of the year, Virgo star would only be visible during the daytime, but you would not be able to see them because of the brightness of our sun. Stars and constellations stay in approximately the same spot for many, many years. They only appear to move in the sky during the year because we are on a moving planet. Because the constellations are in a fixed location, they are often used as a landmark in the sky. Many stars, nebula, and other objects are named after the constellations they are found in. For example, meteor showers are named for the constellation where the meteors appear to be coming from. So, for example, the Orionids meteor shower, which occurs in October each year, appears to come from same direction as the constellation Orion the Hunter. Known star, known stars such as those is well-known constellation can also be used to navigate. For centuries, sailors used to determine their location when out at sea. This is called celestial navigation. NASA astronauts have also trained to use celestial navigation as a backup in case modern navigation system have trouble. That was very nice, RC. According to the passage, why does the night sky look slightly different each night? The stars change their position, Earth moves to a different position. New stars, okay. Why does NASA astronaut train? Okay, to avoid technology, okay, to avoid study, to prepare situation which modern system may fail. Why would Virgo be difficult to see? Daytime. brightness of the sun prevents being seen. According to the passage, y was on your okay. It appears to come from the same direction as option. 17. It occurred when the constellation Orion. Okay. Which of the following statement about constellation is a true based on the passage? Uh, the stars in a constellation are physically connected to one another. Physically connected? No, not necessarily. What I have been thinking. Some stars in the constellation may be closer to one another, while others may be very far. Okay, maybe the constellation visible at night depends. Yeah, C is for sure, but the B one, they are not connected. Might be closer, very far away. Yeah, B and C both. Which part fixed? I guess I said yeah, blank space, right? So fixed position, fixed location, and then it was CAB. Your location on Earth also determines. So CA, CBA, CBA. Now this one, our family hosts dinner. So AD is nowhere. So on the eve of New Year, only A is all right. And this side, continue us, new OUS. I feel OUSLY. Continue us, aus the continuous, continue OUS, continuous, and poison spelling is definitely incorrect. So I got 3 minutes left. Okay, so I feel I should now skip to the next section. Last one, reasoning. I hope it comes to be a like a normal pattern. 7% difference seem okay, okay, doable, but later 7 cities rank different accessibility. Okay, R is better accessible than U, and T is better accessible than W, but less accessible than S. U was ranked one rank more than W. U one ranked more W. One ranked more. So at the rankings, I hope like that W is better accessible than at least one, at least one or more. Neither S nor R ranked highest. Someone, at least someone, to which another character. R is here, S is here, T is here, U is here, V is missing, W, X, X, right. So V and X. X is better accessible than V. So X highest for sure. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. U, W, So in this scenario, 7 cities, 3 already done, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm saying X here. Then TS, TSR and V. But what's between R and S? R is more accessible than U and T. T is more accessible than W, but less accessible than S. U was ranked one rank higher than W. W is better accessible than at least one. Neither S nor R highest ranked. Okay, there is no proper clue, right? So X dash dash. But this thing can also not be said because no, it has to be better than two cities, right? So I'll go with 1 and B. T is better accessible than 3. No city is ranked third, 1, 2. So S, A, or C. Yes. All this. How many cells above K? Okay. There are 7 different bottommost one. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I is 4 cells above 1, 2, 3, M. J is 1 cell above M. J is not an odd number. J is even. J is even. Only 2 possibilities. There are more than 2 between J and L. Okay, let's do it. So J here, M here, J here, M here, 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, I, 1, 2, I. There are more than 2 between J and L. 1, 2, 3. So L can be here, L can be here, 1, 2, more than 2. H is shelf adjacent to L. So HL, HL, L. K is not 2 shelves below H. So LH. Now K is above G. K is above G. K is not 2 shelves below. So H here, L here. How many cells above K? 3. 1 shelf above G, K. How many shelves H and K? 2, 4 alike. So odd. Which one is that even? J is that even. So H, M, I, and G. Shortest distance later. 5% different is number of countries. Okay, not now. Second succeeding something. 8% linear row, however, not in same order. Each person face not direction. Distance between same. Okay. So 4-meter gap each. 4-meter gap. Okay, F sits 8 meter to the left. Okay. C sits to the left of F, but not adjacent to. Okay, not adjacent, not 4, so more than 4. H sits to the okay. B sits, F sits to the left of A. This 3% sits to the left of A. Okay. So D, F, This is to the left. Here at least one, but can also be more. H is 4 meters to E. C, one gap. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, skip this one. Q less than O, R less than T. No, only one. K less than G, M greater than equal to I. No, it's only one. Cat, paste, all hair, paste, a few rat, paste. Some hair are not cat. Some rat are not cat. Okay. So 1 to 5 face south. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. Only two toys between M7 and 8. Two between 7 and 8. So 7, 1 to 8. 8 opposite to 4. 7. Only one toy between 4 and 5. 4 and 5, one toy. M2 not at extreme end. M3 is to the right of M2. M10 is not at an extreme end. M1 opposite to 1 opposite to 9. And 9 sits second to the left of 10. 9 sits second to the left of 10. Like this, and 10 is not at an extreme end. So here, 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 here. So 10, sorry, 10 sits, 9 sits to the left of M, right? Second to the left. So 9 sits second to the left of M. That means 9 can be here, 10 here, or 9 can be here, 10 here. In that scenario, 1 here, 1 here. Now I got two blank spaces. 8 and 9, not possible here anyway. So in this scenario, this and this, 8 and 7. So the another one will be 6 here, 6 here, two toys between, okay, one toy between 4 and 5, one between 4 and 5, something related to 1 was said. M3 is to the right of 2, this side. Now only one toy is between 4 and 5. M9 is second to the left of, okay, M10 is not an experiment. M3 is to the second to the right of M2. M3 is second to the right. M2 not at extreme. So here, here, or here, here. So 2, 3. Now 8, 4. 8 here, 4 here, 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. Okay. So which are the following? Like, so 1, 4, 8, 9, 6 is not at the corner. 2 opposite to 3, so 7. Dash adjacent to M2, 4 or 5, so either A or B. Both A or B, so 33. Both A or B. How many toys are between 9 and 8? 3. How many toys between 3 and 4? 2. Okay, 7%, 3 different. carriers that are Geo, Boda, and BS, at least 2, at max 3. Okay. So 2, 2, 3 definitely. A2 not in Geo. A5 and A4 same. So 5 and 4 same. 2 not here. Total person. Same carrier. Total 2 person in A3. Same carrier. 3 plus someone only. Box. 4 and 5 do not. 4 and 7 not together. They are not together. Okay. 1 and 6 same carrier. 1 and 6 same carrier. A7 in Voda. 7 Voda. 4, 5 not here. 3 and 7 not same. So 7, 3. So 3 also not here. 3 also not here. 1 and 6. 4 and 5. Two not here. So suppose I'm giving 2 here, 7 is here for sure, 2 here. Okay. I have to give 5 and 4 at the same place, but not with 7, definitely. 3 and someone here, 3 and someone only here. Then 1 and 6 goes here. Here 1 and 6 goes here, or 1 and 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 4 also remain. So 5 and 4. 5 and 4 here. 1 and 6 also together, right? So cannot do 2. So 1 and 6 here. 7 and 2 here. 3, 5, 4 here. A5 and 4 same operator. Only 2 operator. Same as A3. Only 2. Oh, okay. Only 2 with 3, right? Only 2 with 3. So 5, 4, 1, 6. Let's go with this. A4, 5 same. Only 1 person with 3. 4 and 7 not same. 1 and 6. 1 and 6 same. 7 operates Boda. 3 and 7 not same. A2 not Geo. Yeah. So all right. Which statement is 2? 7 and 2 same operator. 4 Geo. Yes. So 6 and 1 VSNL. 2 Boda. Okay. So 4 Geo. Okay. A1 with operates dash operates. Okay. So Vodafone for sure with 6. From the following operates SIM of Geo. 4, 5, 4. The following operates SIM as A3. So 2. Following correctly match. 2, 3, 7, 2. No. 7, 1, yes. 7, 6, yes. Okay, correctly represent definitely more than 1. 2, 3, 7, 1, 7, 6. Okay, now this one was done. This one. Hari starts driving his home to his office. He drives 6 meters east, takes a left turn 3 meters, takes another left turn 2 meters, 90-degree anti-clock. He was like that, and anti-clock means left direction, drives 8. So 3 was there. So 3 and 5 also here. Left turn, drives 6. So 2 was there. 2 plus 4, 6. Then takes a right turn and 2. Finally takes 90-degree clockwise, so right side, and drives 10. So 6 here, and okay, so 10 is here. So office here. Shortest distance from home to office. So this is 5 and to 7. What is the distance? Third. What is the shortest distance between the third turn and fifth turn? So first, second, third. To this point, third, fourth, fifth, and this point. This is 6. This is 8. So 10. Raj office is to the south of home. Okay, 5% not doing all vowels. Okay, next one. How many pairs supports S U P P O R T S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. No 27, no 28, 22 yes, 21 yes, 19 no, 27 yes, 24 no, 20 yes, 20 yes, 20 yes. So 3, 4, 6. Is there 19, 23, 24? No, nothing. From here to here. Okay, this question. If all the vowels of astronomy are replaced with second succeeding letter and consonant second preceding letter, and then alphabetical order, sixth from the right end. I don't think I have time for this. So set. Okay, just do it. Astronomy, right? So astronomy, vowel, second succeeding, consonant, second preceding. So C, second preceding Q, R, P, Q, N minus 2, L, O plus 2, Q, M minus 2, K, and Y minus 2, W. Arranged in alphabetical order. So C, okay, how many words? 4, 4, okay, 9. So 6 from the right end means third largest. This is the first largest. Then I got second largest, okay, second largest. So Q is going to be there. I know it will not take, but anyways, it was 21st number question, right? So let's see, I'm expecting somewhere around what? So 25 here, so 10, 5, 15. So somewhere around 75 upish score. It's 78. Makes sense. In GI, I think many got wrong. No, none got wrong. Yeah. So that's all right. I cannot see the exact answer currently, but in English, it's not that good, right? In English, I attempted 30 and got 22.5. So 5 got wrong in English. In quants, I attempted 34 and got 31. So 2 got wrong. And in reasoning, this was not attempted. So 24, 24. So quite satisfactory, but I think in English, I need to work a bit more. So that's it for now. Thank you for joining.